Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore into the world of computers, from the central processing unit to the peripherals. We will break down the different components of the computer system and how they work together. Whether you are an expert who seeks to refresh your knowledge or a beginner who seeks to delve into the world of computers, this lesson is perfect for you. The computer system is made up of both hardware and software components. The hardware components of the computer are the physical components or the physical parts of the computer that you can see and touch. The CPU is an example of hardware components. Also, the CPU has its own components, which are the arithmetic logic unit, the control unit, and the registers. These three sections of the CPU are responsible for fetching, decoding, and executing instructions. After the executions, the information is being stored for future use by the registers. The primary memory like the RAM, the cache, and secondary memory like the hard disks and then the solid state drives are also examples of hardware components of the computer system. Now, some of these hardware components receive data from the user and some receive data from the computer system. The devices that receive data from the user are referred to as the input devices, like the keyboard, the mouse, the scanner. They are responsible for or they are used to input data into the computer system. Now, after data is being input into the computer, it is processed, and after the processing, the devices that receive data from the computer receive the output or the results that the computer gives out. These devices are referred to as the output devices. Examples are the monitor, the printer, the speakers, the projectors, and a lot. There are also long-term memories that are used to store information for future use after it is being processed. These devices are the storage devices. Examples are the hard disks, the solid-state drive, and other drives. The motherboard is the main circuit board that houses the CPU, the memories, and other essential parts or components of the computer system. Devices that are connected externally to the computer for additional functions such as the USB drive, the scanners, and others are referred to as peripheral or auxiliary devices. Now, let us delve into the software components of the computer system. Software is instructions and programs that tell the hardware how to perform tasks. There are different types of softwares. We have the system software, which manages hardware and software resources. Examples are the operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and others. Again, we have the application softwares, which helps users to accomplish specific tasks. Examples are the Microsoft Office and then web browsers. Again, we have the utility softwares, which maintains, analyzes, and optimizes computer performances. Examples are antivirus softwares, disk cleanup tools, and many more. Did you know the user is part of the computer system? Yes, the user is part of the computer system. There are types of users. We have end users who utilizes applications. We have system administrators who manage system resources, and also we have the developers who create softwares. When you observe, you will realize that hardware and software needs each other to be able to execute tasks. Look at software and hardware as a human being who is made up of the body and the soul. The hardware is the body and the soul is software. Now, the body needs the soul to be able to function, and then the soul also needs the body to be able to function very well. That is how software and hardware is. I hope this video has helped you understand the basic concepts of the computer system. Now, can you tell me under the comment section the reason why, or why it is important to have both hardware and software in a computer system, and also how do input and output devices work together in the computer system? See you soon. Thank you.